Bonanza Bowls is a new and exciting game based on traditional flat green bowls. In this variant, each player bowls 4 coloured bowls which, like in snooker, have a score value attached. Red is worth 1 point, yellow 2, blue 3 and the black 4. Players attempt to get their bowls as close to the jack as possible and so score the greatest number of points. A game consists of 2 sets, with each set consisting of 5 ends. The team or player with the highest cumulative score wins the game. The players take turns to bowl alternatively. The player to start the first end is determined by a nearest the jack single bowl or toss of a coin. The game is played on standard rink, measuring 36.5 metres long and 5 metres wide. The jack must be shot no nearer than 2 metres from the end of the rink. If it is inadvertently shot out of play and ends up in the gully, the opposing team then gets to send the jack down. Hopefully at a length that plays to their strengths, as some players favour short lengths, others longer. The jack is always placed in the centre of the lane. Once each team has sent down their 4 bowls, the scores are worked out based on the proximity of all the balls to the jack. If Team A has 1, 2 or even all 4 of their bowls nearer than any of their opponents, then those balls' scores are added together. The team with the most points then has the choice of going first or second in the next end, depending on the tactics they want to employ. Likewise, you can also send the bowls down in any order you want. Once per set, each player or team can elect to bowl the black bowl only as a Bonanza bowl. This bowl, if it comes to rest having touched the jack and is in the count, is worth double points. Sometimes a player may attempt to shoot the jack, in order to move it nearer to their previous bowls or knock it into the dike, where it still scores. The tactics are endless. If at the end of a game the scores on sets are level at 1-1, then the teams go into a shootout. 1 bowl to the jack, nearest wins. The winner of the toss deciding whether to put the mat down and so send the jack down, and can decide to go first or second. In knockout competitions, where you get 2 points for a win and 1 for a draw, shot difference is used to decide a tie. So if each team wins a set, giving them each 2 points, then whoever had the greatest margin in winning their set would go through on shot difference. Fast, exciting and colourful with no fussy or archaic rules, this sport is set to grow and spread further. Go and give it a try now.